Hey everyone, Rachel Michael, just here to give you a quick tutorial on how to request software, Chrome extensions, and apps that is in Skyward. So I need to get into Skyward Employee Access to do that. So I'm going to click right here on Employee Access, and this is my normal sign-in screen. So I'm going to sign in using my school information. So that'll pop up what you normally see when you get into Employee Access. But what we want to look for is this task process right here. This is a widget, and if you don't have this widget, go up here to select widgets and just make sure that task processes is check marked. You may also want to check task history, task manager, any other widgets you want are going to be right there. So that looks good. Come back out of here. So here in this task processes widget, we see all of the app and software requests. So we are going to do a secondary app and software request, and you can see what that looks like. Open that up, and this is going to be your request screen. Click on Open, and this is where you need to type in as much information as you can give me regarding that app or software, because I need to look into it and make sure that it doesn't contain any privacy issues or malware or anything like that. So this is a test, so I'm just going to type in some random things. App developer, just going to type test there, URL, www. Let's do that. Approximate cost, please look into this. If there is a cost, please put it there. And device ID. So just make sure all of those required fields are filled out with as much information as possible and click Save. Now there's a series of screens to click through. It's going to be a bunch of next buttons. Next on this one, if you want to add any notes to this, here is where you would add that. Otherwise, click Next. If you have any file attachments or photos you want to attach, this is where you would add that. I don't, so click Next. So that final screen is where you'll see where it's going to go for approval. Most likely you're going to see your building principal here in this box. You may see somebody else, you may see me. For me, if I do an app or software request, you can see that goes to Dr. Kelly, and I'm not going to send this on to him, so this is where I'm going to stop. But what I would do is click on that, and then that would save my request. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this, and that is all you need to do. When I get that request, I will go ahead and look through it, make sure everything looks A-OK, and then I will send that on to K12 to push out to your device, and I will keep you updated on those requests as I get information coming in. That's all I have. Thanks a lot for listening, and I'll talk to you all sometime soon.